Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, we're going to be going over a headrest and lumbar support pillow for the inside of my Tesla Model Y. One thing I hear a lot about is the comfort of the Tesla seats, how the actual headrest is tilted forward a little bit and how the actual seats might not be super comfortable on a long ride. Today, we're going to test out the pillow, the lumbar support pillow, to see if they actually provide that support we need. Let's get into it. And here is the two pillow combo that we're going to be working with today. Let's take a look at this headrest pillow first. It's really made of a soft, almost Alcantara-like fabric, the same kind of fabric that is on the dash of your newer Junipers, the actual side doors here of your old Legacy Model Ys. It's very nice, very comfortable kind of material. You can see kind of it's that Alcantara, very soft, extremely comfortable. Inside is a memory foam core to help keep that shape when you're kind of leaning up against it. Then on the back, you have a nice elastic bungee to go over the headrest. So we'll install this in a little bit. You can also unzip it, take a look at that foam core, take the cover off and wash it if you need to after it gets dirty, after you use it for a while. So very comfortable. I like this design a lot where it doesn't stick out a ton. It's not super intrusive or invasive. And it's a nice kind of almost dark gray color, not exactly the black of your seats, but still when you're looking at it on the interior, it's a nice dark gray. So it looks really cool. The lumbar support pillow, on the other hand, is really just kind of a simple support pillow. There's no straps or anything on the back, made of that same high quality Alcantara fabric. So really nice. It just kind of sits right up here along your back and helps you with that lumbar support. Many of our Model Ys, I'm not even sure if the new standard one has it or not, but my Model Y, which is the long range 2022, has lumbar adjustment down here on the seat controls down in this area. So you can actually see this little circle does some lumbar adjustment there for you. But if you need additional lumbar support, maybe a pillow like this is what you're looking for. So let's go ahead and throw on this one right here, and we're actually going to go install this one next. Up here at the headrest, it couldn't be simpler to install. It goes kind of like this angle with the curve at the top, and just reach over and kind of put that part around the headrest and kind of move it and position it where you want it to go on your neck. And it actually kind of is nice and sturdy. If you want it a little bit higher, you actually have the customizability to do that. I'm going to keep it nice and low for right now, and we'll see how that feels. Trying out both pillows for the first time, we'll actually try that lumbar support pillow down there. And it actually collapses a lot farther than I thought it would, but it still kind of helps support my back area back there. The actual neck support pillow, it's extremely comfortable right off the top there. I like how soft the material is on my neck. I've tried lots of other Tesla pillows on the channel. Some are kind of the vegan leather, some are the memory foam with the Alcantara fabric or nice soft fabric. I prefer the soft fabric a lot. I think it just feels better on my neck. But that actually feels extremely comfortable. It's like having a nice, almost like a bed pillow, kind of right in that kind of crook of your neck area to help support you. One thing about these Tesla seats is they're very kind of tilted forward, I've always thought, and you can't adjust the headrest. They're not, you can't move them up and down, you can't change them around. So having something like this would really help on long drives. And I can kind of adjust it to where it would fit better, you know, on my neck. If I wanted a little bit higher and wanted that support right on my head, I could do that. If I want it lower, I want it kind of all the way down, so it's kind of on my shoulders almost. I like that a lot too. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with all the features so far. Bringing you guys inside the car, you can see that this actually matches fairly well to the actual Tesla interior. It's not like a big bright thing. It's not kind of in the way. And I like just kind of the muted color. I believe it only comes in this dark fabric, this dark gray black material. So if you have the white seats, then it would obviously stick out. But I really like how it feels. For me, I'm about 6 feet tall. It's right at that perfect kind of portion where my neck, see if you can see that, kind of fits right up against the back of my head. And it just provides that a little bit of support. If I want it a little bit higher, I can kind of adjust it. And it just helps support my neck as I'm driving. So I really do like that kind of feature. Again, super soft, nice material. I also wanted to point out that the lumbar support pillow down here doesn't move as I get in and out of the car. That's a really nice feature too, especially since it's not strapped down at all. It just kind of stays where it's put. So I like that a lot. Well, I said this would be a quick video, and what else is there to cover? I really do like these support pillows. I've tried, I think, 3 or 4 on the channel now. Like I said, some vegan leather ones, some other kind of foam core ones. And this one is really as simple as it gets. It's a plug and play. You set it up on there and you go. I like that the price of this pillow also includes the lumbar pillow, which is actually really comfortable. If you're someone who needs that additional lumbar support more than what your Tesla seats can already provide you, this is the combo to get. Right now, you can get this on YesLAC's website. I've done lots of different reviews from YesLAC. They're a very reputable company. I like partnering with them. They have some really cool products. I highly recommend just checking them out. They're having a Mother's Day sale right now, so you can go check that out. But if you shop there, always use the code on the screen, Gamble1080. It's an affiliate link. It does help out the channel. We get a very, very small commission when you use that code. And right now, it saves you 20% if you were to buy one of these pillow kits. So head over there, check them out, tell them Gamble1080 sent you by using that discount code. It really helps me out. If there's anything else you want to see that I've done to my Tesla, I have all the videos on my channel. There's a playlist for all of them. You can check them all out there. I also have my Amazon storefront linked in the description. Lots of cool Tesla accessories, electric vehicles, other things that I review on there if you're interested in any of that. I appreciate you guys so much for always coming back and checking out the channel. Feel free to like and subscribe. I got lots more content coming up this year. We finally hit 6,000 subscribers, so we're moving on up. So appreciate all of you. Have an awesome day. We'll catch you in the next one.